Entrepreneurs are always on the lookout for new income streams, especially those with promising earning potential. Recently, I came across an intriguing platform while browsing a blog on Medium. This platform offers a straightforward method to generate profits by promoting offers, eliminating the need to handle product sales or inventory management. Reports from users on this platform claim earnings ranging from $60 to $70 within just 20 to 30 minutes. Naturally, I was captivated by this opportunity and felt compelled to share my findings with you. So, what exactly is CPA marketing? CPA, short for cost per action, is a digital marketing model where advertisers compensate publishers for specific actions completed by visitors, such as app downloads or purchases. Take Emily, for example. She's a fitness blogger who has found success monetizing her blog through CPA marketing. By promoting various weight loss programs, Emily earns commissions for every sign-up she drives through her affiliate links. Then there's Alex, a tech-savvy YouTuber who leverages CPA marketing to earn commissions by endorsing online courses. Despite having a modest subscriber count, Alex has managed to capitalize on this opportunity and generate a steady stream of income. One standout CPA network that caught my attention is Adsterra. Renowned for its user-friendly platform and global accessibility, Adsterra boasts instant account activation and competitive payouts, making it an attractive option for both novice and experienced marketers alike. To thrive in CPA marketing, it's crucial to carefully select offers and target the right audience. Utilizing free traffic sources such as Quora, Facebook groups, and AI-generated articles on platforms like Medium can significantly enhance your promotional efforts. However, it's essential to maintain subtlety when incorporating affiliate links into your content. By seamlessly integrating these links into valuable and informative content, you can build trust with your audience, ultimately increasing the likelihood of conversions. Getting started with Adsterra is straightforward. Simply visit their website, adsterra.com, and sign up as either a publisher or an affiliate. Once approved, you can begin earning commissions immediately. Remember, the placement and optimization of your ads play a pivotal role in maximizing your earnings. Strategic placement and well-executed ad campaigns can significantly impact your overall revenue potential. In conclusion, CPA marketing presents a lucrative opportunity for individuals to earn passive income online. With the right approach and the support of platforms like Adsterra, anyone can tap into this potential revenue stream and achieve financial success. Subscribe to our YouTube channel now for more valuable insights and tips. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.